Open your web browser, access to SolisCloud monitoring platform and log in your account. Enter the page of service, click Organization Management, click New Organization. Then you can create internal or external organization. Enter the organization name, organization leader, and email to create. Organization structure could be expanded consecutively. Every organization can create subordinate organization. Internal organization can be checked and managed by upper organization. External organization can be checked by upper organization, but can't be managed by upper organization. And external organization can't be checked by its upper organization's upper organization. Select an organization and click New Member. Enter the relevant information to create the member. There are different types for organization management, such as operation and maintenance personnel, marketing staff, and so on. Different type of role has its own managing authority. You can check the corresponding authority under the tab Role Profile. External organization can't add members. It can be done by the account of external organization leader. End of instruction. Thanks for watching. For further help, please contact Solis official after sales service department.